Hi friends, welcome to Smart Technology. Friends, this is Tenor E mobile phone. So I have no plans to unbox this, but my friend has brought it and his price is strictly that 6,000 rupees. So I have asked him and for unboxing. So you can see this is Tenor E mobile. So this is the only phone in this price segment to have the Full HD plus display and Gorilla Glass protection with a round edges. So you can see here price is quoted and 8,999. So I have brought this for 6,000 rupees. So this is a price drop. And this 7,000 price, this no other mobile will provide a full HD display, and SAR value is also provided here. So I can make notice of it. And it says some of the info here, and it supports Vivo LTE also, WCDMA, LTE, GSM, and it says and another features are on it, and it is full 5.5 inch full HD display as expected, and 13 MP rear camera and 5 MP front camera, fingerprint sensor, and then 4000 mAh battery, and typical of 3910 mAh battery. It varies in this between both battery level. So let's unbox this box. So let's break the seal and open it. So and on the top we have the mobile phone itself. It has packed in a cover. So let's keep the mobile to the side and let's have a look at what else we get in the box. And we get a quick start guide and about some information and warranty information. And again, SAR value was also provided here. And we get a SIM ejector pin. So it's nice. And we get a micro USB cable. So this is micro USB cable. And a power brick. And the output rating on this is, let us see it. Let me focus. So its output is 5 volts to amp, friends. So it is 5 volts to amp, and okay. And let's keep all this to the side, and nothing we get in the box itself, and that is, and let's look at the phone itself. So let's take it off from the cover, and as we can see, it is a full HD display and 5.1 screen, and the build quality is very good. And let's remove the sticker. So it's some difficult, so if you have nails you can remove it very easily. So I removed it, and it says Tenor branding here. And on top we have the 3.5mm headphone jack. On the side we have slim tray. So let's take a look at it once. So it's very tight. Be careful, friends, while taking it and beginning. So this slot is for micro SD card, and we have another slot here. So let's open it. And this is for both the sims, friends. This is a perfect micro SD plus dual sim phone. In this price segment also we get a lot of them with it. So it's a metal, no plastic. It's a good thing. And we have one microphone and one speaker grill, and secondary noise cancelling mic and fingerprint sensor. So let's take it and see the display. So the display is very nice, friends. As you can see, the round edges. So this is the I am saying again and again, this is the only phone which has full HD display in this price segment, 6,000 rupees. Below 10,000, this is the phone which has full HD. I have not seen any mobile. If there is, comment in the comment section. So it says Tenor and powered by Android. So, and I will meet you in the home screen, friends. So this is the home screen and most relevant and most same to the stock Android experience. So I can, as you can see, so only Amazon apps are pre-installed, so it has the Amazon product, not no other thing. And they have 10-hour app in the top, and it has founded some software update also. So just first let's look at this Android version. Now what is it? So it's running on Android 7.1.2, and the Android model is it's saying E, and the Android version Knogout. So company has promised that it will give Oreo updates and monthly security updates also. We have already got an update. So Android version is in July. So let's see which in the update which is get updated. And we are click on confirm. Hello. So as you can see, we had an update. It is above 500 MB. So I am recording this voiceover, so I cannot see the MB clearly. So please forgive me. So you can see click on update. So I will update it. So and let us see the memory and storage. Memory out of 2 GB, 1.1 GB is used. Again, you can get nearly up to 800 MB or less. And next, let's do storage. And out of 16 GB, 6.05 is used. So the only problem is that we have the power button on the top and volume rockers in the below. So this is we can get we should get very used to it. So let's say a fingerprint sensor. So it takes some time. It gets unrecognized, and it's take a half a second, and it gets unlocked. So it's working. It 70% of accuracy rate. It's taking 1 to half second to 1 second time. So I have installed CPU-Z app. It contains Snapdragon 430 processor, but it's showing a Snapdragon 435 processor and has 8 cores. And let's look at the sensors. So these also ads are getting close it. And look at sensor. We have main all sensors: accelerometer, magnetometer, gyroscope, and proximity. All the major sensors we need. We have none of the sensors are skipped. So I bought a case also for with this. So I will leave this description also in the description box. These are officially made by Tenor. So let us see the case. So is the plastic matte finish, very hard case. There's a Tenor branding, and you have the insert in this. So it's very nice to look. So this is the case how it look. So it fits exactly as it is made by Tenor. So friends, this is the video for unboxing and this quick review of this Tenor E phone. So this is the best phone with full HD display in this price segment. So if you like this video, please subscribe and please like our button. Thanks for watching.